Why hello there! Today we look at the premier Citizen Promaster Sky EcoDrive Geo Trekker. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. At aviation, we often showcase expensive mechanical watches. But truth be told, this is all yesterday's news. Literally. It's 2024 and there's still technological progress in horology. The new Citizen Promaster Sky brings all the new bells and whistles. Its movement is solar-powered EcoDrive H684. It is as precise as other high-end quartz movement, but there's no battery to be replaced every few years. Just expose it to light and it will keep going. You don't even need to set it up, as it is radio controlled. It will set it itself up to a correct time zone, unless you are in Australia. We were told you can either have a radio-controlled watches or kangaroos, but not both, and apparently Aussies like the roos better. The Promaster Sky is a true travel companion. It boasts a worldtimer complication, allowing you to instantly know the current time at any point on the Earth. And it's more than affordable. No one will chop off your hand to steal it from you, unlike a Rolex. There are just two problems with this Citizen. The size, at 46 millimeters of diameter, it's not for everyone. And there's the manual. You have to read it. Seriously, you'll make a fool of yourself if you don't. It's a beast of a watch. You have been warned. But with this much bang for the buck, we see no reason not to have this grab-and-go watch in your collection. Are you still in the same time zone with us? Thank you for your time, and we'll catch you in the next one.